YouTube can now generate 6-second YouTube Shorts clips with AI. At its Made on YouTube event held in New York, YouTube disclosed that YouTube content creators are going to be provided with a myriad of AI-driven tools, including the ability to generate a complete 6-second YouTube Shorts video clip just with a text prompt. The integration of Google's DeepMind's VO video generation model into YouTube Shorts is to be thanked for the attainment of this feat. With the new Shorts generator feature, YouTube aims to rival OpenAI's Sora, Runway's Gen 3 Alpha, Adobe's Firefly, or Kuaishou Technologies' Kling. VO video generation model has equipped YouTube to produce 6-second clips at 1080p resolution on a wide range of cinematic themes and styles. Besides content creators, YouTube's AI-powered Dream Screen released last year will also be complemented by VO's integration. Dream Screen allowed content creators to generate backgrounds for their videos. Now, with a video generation model in action, creators will now be able to generate multiple image outputs with Dream Screen and then animate the best one with VO. But the only pitfall of this remarkable feature is that it could diminish creators' content's originality, as content created with this method will be labeled with Google's Synth ID system. This remains to be the case, despite various studies that have depicted how such visual identifiers can be easily evaded.